Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually repost videos on TikTok. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to repost videos on TikTok. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually repost your videos on TikTok. So you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. First of all, you simply want to make sure that you have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you want to simply type in TikTok and then go ahead and check whether the TikTok has an update available or not, because if it does have an update available, you can go ahead and simply update the TikTok app to the latest version. Now after we've actually updated TikTok, what I'm going to do is simply open TikTok from my home screen right over here. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are actually logged into your account. So make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. After you log in, let's say that there are some certain videos which you might actually want to repost. Now usually what happens is that you want to simply tap on this share icon which you see right at the bottom of the screen. You can see this white arrow icon. What you want to do is simply tap on this white arrow icon which you see. Now in most regions or in most cases, in order to repost a TikTok video, you would actually be able to see a repost button right on the top left hand side in this menu. However, many users are complaining that they don't have the repost feature, as in my case you can also see that we don't have the repost button. If you do see a repost button, you can go ahead and simply tap on that repost button in order to repost that particular TikTok video. However, if you don't find that repost feature, the next alternative solution that I can only suggest you is to simply tap on this button right over here which says to actually save this video. So what we want to do is simply tap on this button which says save video, because obviously if we don't have that repost button, the only alternative solution is to save this video to our device. And after we save this video to our device, we are going to simply repost this video by tapping on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and then go ahead and simply trying to upload this video to our account. You can tap on the plus button that you see. Once you tap on the plus button, tap on the upload button again right at the bottom right, and then go ahead and select the video which you actually just downloaded right over here. Once you select that video, you have the options to actually also customize it and so many more options. You can go ahead and simply tap on post a story or next as per your wish. So this was the way on how you could very easily repost videos on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.